Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Run Java version now, because mismatched 32-bit versus 64-bit installs cause this error. Once done, check available RAM and choose an initial heap of 1G instead of arbitrarily large values. This prevents allocation failure. Also, make sure your path and Java home both reference the identical JDK or JRE directory, because conflicting locations produce different runtimes and obscure failures. Now you adjust JVM parameters and explain why each change matters. Open your startup script or launcher and set Java ops or Java options deliberately. Malformed flags break the VM at launch. Reduce XMX and XMS incrementally. Try 512M first, then 1G, because large heaps on low memory systems fail quickly. If you see exotic flags like Roman 20, plus use compressed oops, remove or correct them temporarily to isolate the cause, since incompatible flags can be platform. Finish by consolidating and validating your environment, and know one key troubleshooting tip. Reinstall a matching JDK or JRE when you suspect corruption or architecture mismatch, because a clean install often removes hidden problems. Then run Java with XShow settings, properties, and verbose, class to gather diagnostic clues, and test your launch on another machine to separate app versus system issues. If problems remain, capture the exact error text. That message points directly to the next steps you must take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.